Welcome to Water Lily, the Shapla series.
বর্ষাকাল চলে এসেছে, কলকাতায় এখন শাপলা খুবই সস্তা। Hello and welcome to Madhurima's Kitchen and Madhurima Basu YouTube channel. So what I'm talking about Shapla or water lily. In the last video, I shared a recipe of Shapla fuler bora. So today I'm going to share another recipe with Shapla ful, but that is a different. It's you can say I invent a name. You know, when we Bengali we eat some pakori with piyaj, we can say piyaji. So this is I'm going to prepare with the Shapla flour, not with entire flour like the previous recipe. I will use the petals. So what I can say, it's Shiazi. What about that? Seems interesting, right? So for that you have to follow the recipe. And one more thing, in this recipe I'm using onion, garlic. So in the last recipe it was for only pure vegetarian, and this recipe is for vegetarian and non-vegetarian because I'm using onion and garlic as well. So it's raining outside and I'm enjoying this Shiazi because I don't want to go outside and I don't want to have the piyaji. So why not the Shiazi? So I'm going to enjoy this fritters in this monsoon. So why not you prepare that and enjoy the Shiazi with me as well. So thank you for watching my channel. Stay tuned and get so more recipes like that. Thank you. And let's start with the second recipe. So again, what I have this water lily or Shapla. It looks dirty definitely, but it's not dirty at all. I have to clean it. So whatever else I'll use it. This is our salt and turmeric, and this is coriander. This is red chili. You can use green chili as well. This is besan, and here I'm using ginger garlic paste and sliced onion. So let me show you what I have to do with this. So these are the Shapla, and right now again I have to remove this green portion. Obviously I don't need those yellow portion, but here I will need this petals only. So this petal is not good, so I'll discard it and I'll take the good petals only. So first I will have some petal. Let me do it very quickly and then I will chop it. So here we go. This is the second one. So let me remove the petals and then I'll just get back. So after cleaning, and I just chopped it into pieces. Now I already prepared the batter. Again, it's not a thick consistency. And now what I have to do, I have to add these petals. Okay, this one is not chopped, I missed it. So if it will be a coarse chop, so not finely chopped. And I will add this red chili and then ginger garlic paste, and of course the onion slices and coriander. And I have to mix it properly. So if the batter is watery, in that case I have to add little bit of besan and then I have to mix it, because I'm going to prepare this piyaji or pakora kind of thing with this. So we don't need a runny texture. We need a texture where we can make a ball or a fritter, you can say. The shape is your choice, whatever shape you like you can. What I think, I have to add little bit of besan and have to prepare it very quickly. If I'll keep it, then it will be soggy or runny. So right now what I have to do, let me show you the consistency at first. So it will be like this, the same consistency we use for pakora. So I will heat the karai and the mustard oil and then I'll get back. So it's almost ready to fry, so I'll get back. Okay, so already it's hot. I'm using the mustard oil. It will taste better. If you don't like mustard oil, you can use any vegetable oil, but I'll suggest the mustard oil. So very carefully I have to place it. You know, I love to give some funny names. So instead of Piyaji, it's Shapla, and I'm using Piyaj. So why not it's Shiazi? Isn't it funny? But okay, Shiazi is good. So I'll try it and I'll get back to you. I have to fry the both side and I will show you the final one. Okay, so one side is fried, I guess. So very carefully I have to flip it. Okay, success. I'm always scared of this flipping thing. So okay, done. And the third one. Yes, so it will be crispy fried. I have to wait and I will definitely come back with the final presentation. As I said, this will be a very good one. It's crispy as well. So what I tasted actually, so this one is like a very unique taste. I'm using this onion, garlic, ginger paste, everything over here, and another one was totally veg, no onion, no garlic, no ginger either. So both of them, they are good. So thank you for watching patiently two recipes. Definitely you will try it at home and give me the feedback. So thank you for watching Madhurima's Kitchen and Madhurima Basu YouTube channel. You can subscribe if you want, and then you can follow me in Instagram as well, Madhurima's Kitchen. You can order food from Madhurima's Kitchen Google or Facebook page. And one more page, if you want to go for the different kind of candles and homemade home decors as well, which I prepare it. So you can definitely check MaddyBee in Facebook, in Instagram and in Google. So I hope you enjoyed that, and I'll definitely get back with the final look. So thank you.